Welcome to 637 Breezy Drive, a spectacular waterfront property along the western shoreline of Frenchman's Bay within South Pickering's West Shore community. Rarely offered, this incredibly spacious 4-bedroom, 4-washroom backsplit showcases an oversized double-car garage complemented with a massive interlocking driveway that has parking for up to 7 more vehicles, while meticulously maintained perennial gardens and exceptional stone landscaping enhances its amazing curb appeal. Through a backyard garden door entrance is the newer ground level addition to this home, and its stunning entertaining and living spaces. This suite includes a living, dining, and family room, as well as a kitchen, all with in-floor heating, has 3 interior skylights, 3 exterior skylights, and 2 walls of windows for both abundant natural lighting and gorgeous lake and backyard views, as well as warm wood finishes complementing its tasteful modern decor. The kitchen comes with appliances and has breakfast seating at its peninsula, and other great features include awning and casement windows, contemporary light fixtures, broadloom throughout the living, dining, and family rooms, as well as another garden door entry from the exterior side walkway. This suite also features a spacious bedroom with a sitting area, as well as a 4-piece washroom, while this level also has a laundry area with stacked washer and dryer, office space, and a powder room, as well as a set of stairs leading to another side entrance off the walkway and to the above-level family room. This casual entertaining space features a corner gas fireplace with floor-to-ceiling stone-style facade, a washroom with its bath and shower area separate from the water closet, a full wall of closet storage, as well as a kitchen with fridge, stove, dishwasher, and great cabinetry storage. And the family room's walkout opens onto a rooftop deck above the ground level addition that has spectacular, unobstructed lake views. A lovely sitting area is hidden amongst the front yard's manicured shrubs and gardens, and the driveway's interlocking is continued through a cedar breezeway and into the backyard. Fully enclosed, the breezeway provides convenient sheltered access for the home to the garage year-round and has a storage area, while naturally brightening this utility space are 3 skylights and a wall of windows that also allows one to enjoy the lush greenery thriving along the south side of the property. In addition to the side entries into the home, off the walkway is a set of stairs leading to the rooftop deck off the family room, and the interlocking continues across the back of the home as well as to the waterfront's edge. With a stone wall on its south side and cedar hedges along the north side for privacy, the backyard is as meticulously landscaped and maintained as the front. And in addition to the covered patio off the ground level suite, there is another interlocking patio closer to the water's edge, as well as a wooden patio area hidden amongst its gardens. Entertaining along the waterfront is readily enjoyed indoors or out, and during inclement weather or cool nights, with approximately 685 square feet of space, the boathouse can easily accommodate large gatherings. Featuring a garden door and 2 sliding door walkouts, the boathouse is insulated, has hydro, an airtight wood stove for cozy warmth, as well as a dry bar with a mirrored backsplash. And with pine and cedar finishes throughout, the boathouse feels like a cottage vacation at your favorite lake without ever leaving the backyard. Both of the sliding door walkouts open onto the dock area, which stretches across the yard, offers fantastic lakefront entertaining space, and has 2 separate docks, one which is 80 feet long. With docking space for smaller personal watercrafts, the docks can accommodate a 48-foot and a 36-foot boat, while right next door is the Frenchman's Bay Yacht Club, which extends the use of its facilities to guests of those who hold membership. This home additionally features 2 upper levels with a living and dining room, an eat-in kitchen, a 5-piece washroom, and 3 bedrooms with views of Frenchman's Bay. This home also has a 9 by 50-foot storage area on its north side and comes complete with opener and remotes for the garage door. Fairport Beach Public School, Father Fenlon Catholic Elementary School, highly rated Frenchman's Bay Public School, and numerous parks are all within walking distance. While this home is also a short drive to the Pickering Town Center Mall as well as the GO Station and has easy access to Highway 401. And it's also just a short boat ride for the shopping, entertainment, and restaurants along the east side of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay and its community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.